Hi there, Lindsay, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review on the Rimmel Fresher Skin Foundation. I have this foundation in 100 Ivory, and that's how it looks. This foundation has an SPF 15, gives you a breathable natural finish, and it also gives you a shine-free finish, and it doesn't clog the pores. And then at the back of the dish, there's a little page that you can remove. And it says a lightweight foundation that leaves skin looking fresh, and it provides a breathable, natural looking coverage. It doesn't clog pores for an all-day shine-free finish. Now this foundation comes in 25 mils, as you can see there, and this is 100 Ivory, and it has the SPF 15 as well, which is really good. So the foundation is quite thick, but it has a bit of a wateriness to it as well. So this foundation should apply very nice. I'm going to put the foundation on my foundation brush, and let me see how this foundation applies. I'm just going to blend it all in. This foundation has a very nice smell as well. It almost smells like a floral type of smell, which is very nice. And it's not too strong, it's really just a very nice soft smell. Okay, so this is one layer of foundation that I've applied on my skin, and as you can see, it gives your skin a very nice glow. My skin looks very healthy and very glowing, and most of my redness is gone. So the coverage is very good. I'm just going to blend it in a little bit more. And then just one last time. There we go. That's all blended in nicely. And that's how the foundation looks. As you can see, most of my redness is gone. And like I said, it gives a glowiness to your skin. It feels very light. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It's very light feel foundation, which is really nice if you don't feel like wearing a heavy foundation. So it feels really lovely and soft and smooth on my skin. I must say that I really do like this foundation, and I will buy it again. And what I like about the foundation is that it has the SPF 15, and it doesn't clog the pores, and it gives you a shine-free finish. So I'm very happy with this foundation. So if you buy this foundation, let me know how it worked on your skin, if it also gave you a nice glowiness to it, and if it also felt nice and light on your skin, not heavy at all, just a very light coverage as well. Thank you for watching. That's my video, and if you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much again.